Hi guys, welcome to this page. Today I share how I made my chicken suya. To begin with, you want to clean your chicken and make sure the chicken is well dried. Then start off by adding all your ingredients and spices together. Try to massage the ingredients into the spicy. You see how I'm demonstrating? Spray the ingredients on the chicken front and back. Next, cover the chicken with foil paper and marinate for 1 hour. After you're done marinating, add the chicken to your grill plate and add some rosemary. Place in the oven and grill for 1 hour on a medium heat. So at this point, the chicken is halfway cooked. I brought the chicken out from the oven and cut the chicken again with my soya mix. I'm going to cut the chicken like this again, place in the oven and continue. So guys, this is how the chicken is looking after it is done. Chicken suya, my own very recipe. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to big up yourself, share the video, like the video, and leave me with a comment. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.